Hi there, my name is Anna and today I'll be demonstrating the Rainbow Drop experiment. So for this experiment, you're going to want some oil. I have some vegetable oil. You also want to have some water and food coloring, and you can have as many as you want. I have 3 colors: teal, purple, and pink. So the first step is you want to pour out some vegetable oil into a cup. Okay, so now that you have your oil in the cup, what you want to do is take your food colorings and put about 2 drops of each color into there. I'm going to put in some of the teal coloring. So 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2. And because pink is my favorite color, I'll add another drop. Once you have all your colors into the oil, you want to take a spoon and stir around the colors so that the color of the oil becomes darker, but you'll notice there'll still be some like circles in there, but that's okay because that's actually the food coloring. And feel free, if you're not getting the color you want, to add any additional drops. Just make sure you don't put in too many, or else you won't be able to see the colors in the second part. Alright, so I think I've done enough mixing. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to pour some of the oil, our food coloring oil mixture, into the cup. Oh, as you can see, the food coloring is actually starting to drop down the water and sink all the way to the bottom. So now I'm left with kind of a purple-ish color water. And as you can see, the oil is actually almost clear, but the water is now all purple. But we put all those food coloring into the oil. So what happened here? So oil actually is less dense than water. So that means that oil is lighter than water, which is why the oil floats on top of the water. This time we put food coloring in there, and food coloring actually has water in it, but also a mixture of other substances. So when you put the food coloring into the oil, it's actually heavier than the oil, and when you put the oil into the water, the food coloring is heavier than the oil and the water, which is why the food coloring started to drip down from the oil to the bottom of the water. And that's your experiment.